FloodWatch AI is our submission for the Google Hackathon. What we are trying to tackle here is response rates from municipalities. Uh, so much data around us, so many live open source sensors. We wanted to use all of that to cut down the time that municipalities respond to issues that are being seen and reported by the community. We wanted to be able to better the type of alert that citizens see. That's not just the local news coming on at 7 o'clock at night. We want them to have live data that they can take action on and save their property, uh, their families. We wanted to be able to act on flooding in South Florida. Um, while searching to do this, we realized that there's a lot of open source sensors all around different communities across the country. There's different natural disasters that happen in each community. So we're just tackling flood watch. We wanted to be able to see there's a flood going on at the corner of our house. Is there sewer water in there? Was it contaminated by that? Is it safe to walk through? Is it safe to drive through? We're running through a quick demo here. It's sort of a flash flood. You'll see the screen start to turn yellow a little bit here when it reaches a certain threshold. On the left, the sensors are going crazy. They're picking up different readings. And then you have an incident here triggered on the right. When you click on that, you'll be able to see a breakdown of the different sensors, what the AI thinks is happening here, if it's a valid concern, also the responses from the different government agencies. You'll be able to see the AI break down a timeline for you of when this happened and how fast it happened. In this case, again, a flash flood. Um, just a quick walkthrough of the rest of the platform. Uh, we have uh, the sensors being used for rural residents, somebody who lives out in the country might not have ways to help them get out of danger. They can use the sensors to hopefully plot a course out of their home, their job, what have you. Uh, Diagnostics here is just a quick view of all the different sensors that are being used, that are being pulled live, their status, if they're connected, the average that they would see, and a quick breakdown of what the sensor records. Claims Intel is just a place where you can submit a claim onto the platform. The platform will trigger it to the municipal service that you need to reach out to. AI chatbot will go ahead and validate your claim if you're seeing something that's really just isolated to your home or if it's a bigger issue happening across your community. Citizens Alert, this is just a quick breakdown, again, of what you saw in the simulation. So big thank you to Google for putting on this event. Um, Big thank you to Grant for all the help with this event. Uh, it's a great event. Can't say enough about the community of tech in Miami. Really appreciate everything. So grateful.